Let's take a look at three modern fighters. The Dassault Rafale is a French fighter jet with two engines. The PAC JF-17 Thunder is a light fighter jet with one engine. The Chengdu J-10 Vigorous Dragon is China's single-engine fighter that can do many jobs. When we compare these three fighter jets, we see they each have special strengths and cool things about them. The Dassault Rafale shows off some really good performance with a top speed around Mach 1.8. Its delta wing and close-coupled canards give it great quickness and make it steady. The JF-17 Thunder, with a top speed of Mach 1.6, is quick and can do many things. Its light body helps it move around easily in different fight situations. China's J-10 Vigorous Dragon can go faster than Mach 2. Its canard delta design and strong power-to-weight push make it very easy to move around. All three jets are made to be quick, but the Rafale and J-10 usually have higher top speeds. The Rafale is the best at flying smoothly overall, while the J-10 is a powerful jet for stopping others. The JF-17, even though it's not as fast, gives a good mix of performance and what it costs. How quick each jet is fits the jobs it's meant to do in a fight, and pilots really like how they handle. The Rafale can carry many kinds of weapons, like meteor missiles that can hit targets far away and scalp cruise missiles. It can carry more than 9 tons of weapons, which means it can be set up in many ways for different missions. The JF-17 Thunder is armed with many weapons like PL-5 short-range missiles and SD-10 missiles that guide themselves with radar. It can carry about 3.5 to 4 tons of weapons, which is good for a fighter that does many jobs. The Chengdu J-10 uses Chinese-made air-to-air missiles, like the PL-8, PL-10, and PL-12. For targets on the ground, it uses bombs guided by lasers and missiles that go after radar signals. The J-10 can carry a good amount of weapons, making it useful in different fight situations. How much firepower a fighter has is very important, and the weapons each jet carries show where it comes from and what jobs it's meant to do. The Rafale can use advanced European weapons, the J-10 has growing missile technology, and the JF-17 has a weapon set that can do many things. These all show how powerful they are. Part 4. The Tech Advantage, Radar Systems and Smart Electronics. The Dassault Rafale has smart sensor systems, including the RBE-2 ASA radar and the SPECTRA system for electronic fighting. These systems help it find, follow and understand what's happening around it much better. Newer versions of the JF-17 Thunder have the KLJ-7A ESA radar, which helps it see farther and track targets better. Its modern screen-filled cockpit and easy-to-use electronics make it better in a fight. The Chengdu J-10C uses ESA radar, which really helps its fighting skills. Modern versions have displays in the helmet and special data links, so pilots know more about what's going on. ESA radar tech lets jets track many targets at once and is harder for enemies to mess with using electronic signals. The smart electronics in these jets put together information from different sensors, giving pilots a clear picture of the battlefield. This kind of tech is what modern air fights are all about, and it's super important for winning missions and staying safe. Part 5. Why they're important and final thoughts. The Rafale is a really important jet for France's air power, used by both the French Air and Space Force and the French Navy. It can do all sorts of jobs, which means it can easily switch between different missions. Many countries have picked the Rafale for their air forces. The JF-17 Thunder is the main workhorse for the Pakistan Air Force. It has also sold well to other countries. The Chengdu J-10 is a key fighter for China. It helps protect China's very large sky. The J-10 keeps getting updates, which shows how important it is. In the end, all three jets are powerful. The Dassault Rafale is a top-level fighter that can do many jobs. The Chengdu J-10 performs really well. And the PAC JF-17 Thunder is good at doing many different things. Each jet fits well into its country's plan for defense.